It's been a few years since you got your final teeth. So what has it been like the last 2 years?
It's been really nice.
How was life with dentures?
No, I didn't like that. Couldn't eat what I wanted.
Yeah.
It was just, for me, it just wasn't going to do. It was terrible.
What limitations do you have now on what you eat and what, going out with friends? Do you ever worry about your teeth falling out?
No, no, I can eat anything I want. And the only thing I can say is that, you know, for me, I keep a portable water pick with me, because
Yeah.
I like to, I
Keep
like
them
to,
clean.
yeah, yeah. It just, and that's not a big deal,
Yeah.
to carry that with you. And
Yeah.
just take a few minutes after you eat, and and if there's times you can, just gargle a little bit,
Yeah.
and they clean right up.
That's a good, I love that you said that there are some compromises. It's definitely not something you want to recommend to someone who can save teeth. You have to carry a water pick. If someone can save their teeth and it's a good investment in doing that, where they're not going to lose them in a couple years.
Yeah.
But if that's not the case, this is the next best thing other than saving your teeth.
Yeah. Mine was genetic, so
Yeah.
my dad, I went that away,
Yeah.
so there was no choice for me. I had to go to dentures or implants, and so that's the road. That's
Awesome.
what got me here.
Give us a smile. Thanks for sharing your story. I appreciate it.
All right.